Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the LavaCore Men's Long Sleeve Shirt. So LavaCore material is basically a neoprene alternative. So if you're allergic to neoprene for whatever reason, this can be a fantastic alternative, and it has quite a few benefits over traditional neoprene. So as far as warmth, they say it equates to about a 2, maybe a 3 mil of neoprene. So you're still diving somewhere nice and warm, but the real main benefit of it is that the material itself is neutrally buoyant. So you don't need to add any extra sort of lead weight to account for a thicker suit. So it's a great sort of alternative. So the material itself is 3 layers. On the outside we have a stretchy kind of hydrophobic layer that kind of protects the internal layer. The internal layer is a semi-permeable membrane, so that allows sort of sweat and moisture to wick away from you, so you stay nice and warm. But it's going to stop the wind from sort of cutting through. It stops the cold water from going straight through the material. It only goes one way, and that way is out. And then on the inside, if I show you the inside of it, it's a nice warm kind of fleece material, and this is very effective at wicking that moisture away from your skin. So if you're sort of on the surface, it's going to be wicking sweat away and keeping you nice and clean and dry. If you're under the water, it maintains that layer of sort of water just against your skin, stops it from moving around, and then your body sort of warms that up. So it acts a lot like a wetsuit, but you don't have that additional buoyancy of sort of any air bubbles in the material. So it's nice and stretchy. So it's really sort of fantastic for any kind of surface water sports. It's great for scuba diving as well because it's neutrally buoyant. It has a few nice little features. So up around the neck, as you can see, we have this fleece lining, so it's nice and soft against your skin. A lot of flatlock stitching, so this really wide stitching is flatlock, so that means it's not going to be rubbing in any one particular area. Throughout the inside of the suit, it's all that fleece lining, so very soft against your skin. Long sleeves mean you get plenty of protection. This has a UPF rating of over 50, so you don't need to wear sort of sunscreens on your sort of torso. If you're snorkeling on the surface, you don't have to worry too much about that sort of hot sun bearing down on you. This is going to add quite a lot of protection for you. At the end of each of the sleeves, you get a little thumb loop, so that just holds the sleeve in position, stops it from riding up. If you're wearing it underneath your existing wetsuit, just to sort of augment its warmth, make it a little bit warmer by wearing an extra layer, it stops it from riding up when you're putting your wetsuit on. It's quite long compared to a traditional shirt, so that way if you're wearing board shorts as well, you get plenty of overlap, so you're not going to have a bare midriff anywhere, plenty of coverage. And as you can see, we have an elasticated toggle down around here, so you can really tighten that up, and that really hugs your hips and means that the shirt's going to stay in position and keep you covered at all times. So a real good sort of alternative to neoprene. I really like the LavaCore material. It's neutrally buoyant. That's really the big selling point for me. You don't have to add extra sort of lead weight to help you get down. This is the LavaCore Men's Long Sleeve Shirt. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.